Hi, I'm Ray at Creative Arts Studio. Welcome to our party room. We'd love to have you come join us for your next birthday. You can celebrate in this room. We have a fridge and freezer back there. Bring your food, bring your drinks, bring some balloons if you want, decorate the room. You'll spend about an hour in here doing one of our projects, and then you get another hour to just hang out and celebrate with your family and friends. I'm standing in front of our most popular party package, pottery painting. We have our Monet shelf with our smallest pottery pieces. Then our next package up will be our Picasso shelf. And then finally we have our Renoir shelf, which are our largest party pieces. We've got a variety of animals, figurines, banks, boxes for you to choose from. We also offer our mosaic parties, our canvas painting, and of course our beloved wheel throwing. When you book your birthday party in our party room, we'll throw in a one-of-a-kind custom birthday plate. The birthday person will put their handprint in the center of the plate, and guests will help contribute by adding fingerprints around the side. Then one of our artists will customize the plate to your liking. You can book a party on our website at creativeartstudios.com. Also feel free to call up the studio. Our staff can answer any questions you may have.